Welcome to this complete Miami, Florida guide. Cast aside your preconceptions and prepare to immerse yourself in the vibrant and diverse culture of this sun-drenched city. Miami, a place where the rhythm of Latin beats infuse the air, where art springs from every corner and where the promise of adventure lurks around every bend. From the sparkling waters of South Beach to the untamed wilderness of the Everglades, there's a world waiting to be discovered. Get ready to explore the magic city. First stop, South Beach, Miami's iconic beach destination. Known worldwide for its vibrant nightlife, South Beach is a place where the rhythm of the night echoes through the palm-lined streets. From pulsating dance clubs to rooftop cocktail lounges, the energy here is infectious. But South Beach isn't just about the night. Its days are equally bright with a beautiful sandy beach that stretches as far as the eye can see. The turquoise waters invite you for a dip, while the warm sand calls for a leisurely nap under the sun. And let's not forget the lively Art Deco architecture. The pastel-hued buildings with their distinctive geometric designs are a feast for the eyes, reflecting the city's rich cultural history. South Beach is a place where the modern and the historic blend seamlessly, creating a unique atmosphere that's hard to find elsewhere. South Beach, where the sun never truly sets. Next, we journey into the past at the Art Deco Historic District. Let's step back in time to the roaring 20s and 30s, when Miami started to sparkle with the unique Art Deco architectural style. Picture streamlined, sleek buildings adorned with geometric and floral patterns, pastel hues and neon lights. It's an architectural gem, a relic of the Jazz Age, preserved for our modern eyes. And it's not just about the buildings. Every year in January, the district comes alive with the Art Deco Weekend Festival. It's a 3-day celebration of all things Art Deco, from vintage cars to fashion shows and parades. Truly, it's a spectacle of glamour and nostalgia. So, whether you're an architecture buff or a history enthusiast, the Art Deco Historic District is a must-see. With every step you take, you're walking through history, feeling the pulse of a bygone era. The Art Deco District, a journey back in time. Now let's paint a different picture at Wynwood Walls. Imagine stepping into a living, breathing canvas where the works of street artists from around the globe splash life onto the drab concrete. This is Wynwood Walls, an open-air urban art installation that's come to be one of Miami's most vibrant locales. From the brushstrokes of Shepard Fairey to the spray cans of Aiko, it's a riot of color and creativity, a testament to the power of art in transforming neighborhoods. Each mural, whether it's a poignant social commentary or an abstract array of colors, is an artist's heart poured onto the canvas of a city wall. And the artistry doesn't stop at the walls. The neighborhood around is a hotbed of creativity, with galleries, boutiques, and eclectic eateries adding to the color and charm. It's a place where every corner, every alley, and every wall is a testament to expression and individuality. Wynwood Walls, where every wall tells a story. Now experience the grandeur of the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. Immerse yourself in an enchanting world where European elegance meets tropical paradise. As you wander through this stately villa, you'll find yourself entranced by the European-inspired architecture, a testament to the opulence of a bygone era. Each room brims with historic artifacts, from ornate furniture to priceless works of art, all meticulously preserved to transport you back to the turn of the 20th century. Step outside and the magic continues. The sprawling gardens, resplendent in their beauty, beckon you to explore. Traverse the manicured lawns, discover hidden grottos, and marvel at the sheer variety of flora. Amidst the vibrant blooms and lush greenery, you'll stumble upon classical statues and fountains, further enhancing the old-world charm of the estate. Indulge your senses in this visual feast and soak in the tranquility. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a taste of Europe in Miami. Next, we shop till we drop at the Bayside Marketplace. This vibrant open-air shopping center is a hub of activity, nestled right in the heart of downtown Miami. It is a melting pot of culture and commerce, offering a variety of shops that cater to every taste and budget. From high-end boutiques to unique local vendors, Bayside Marketplace presents a shopping experience that is as diverse as the city itself. Whether you're hunting for the latest fashion trends or seeking out a charming souvenir, there's a store here that's got just what you're looking for. But the Bayside Marketplace is more than just a shopping destination. It's a place where you can wine and dine with a waterfront view, providing a stunning backdrop to your meal. And let's not forget about the live music. With performances from local artists, it's a place where the rhythm of Miami truly comes alive. Bayside Marketplace, where shopping meets entertainment. Now we step into a slice of Cuba at Little Havana. This vibrant neighborhood is a testament to the spirit and culture of the Cuban people who have made Miami their home. It's an eclectic fusion of influences where the scent of freshly brewed Cuban coffee mingles with the rhythm of salsa music in the air. Calle Ocho, the heart of Little Havana, is a whirl of activity. Here the day begins with locals playing dominoes at Maximo Gomez Park, a testament to traditions kept alive thousands of miles from their homeland. It's also a gastronomic paradise where you can find the best Cuban sandwich in town or indulge in a batido, a Cuban-style milkshake. Art is a crucial part of life here. The vibrant murals tell stories of the Cuban diaspora, adding a splash of color and history to the streets. Whether it's the food, music or art, Little Havana offers a taste of Cuba without leaving American soil. Little Havana, a Cuban escapade in the heart of Miami. Next, we explore the creative side of Miami at the Design District. This vibrant neighborhood is a veritable paradise for design enthusiasts. It's a hub of innovation, brimming with high-end design stores that offer a curated selection of home furnishings, decor and fashion. From avant-garde furniture at Luminaire to the exquisite creations at Christian Louboutin, each store is a testament to the power of design. But the Design District is not merely a shopping destination. It's also a canvas for world-class art installations that captivate and inspire. These dynamic installations, often created by local artists, transform the district into an open-air museum, adding a touch of whimsy and color to every corner. Architecture lovers too will find themselves enchanted by the district's architectural landmarks. Buildings with cutting-edge design stand shoulder to shoulder with beautifully preserved historic structures, creating a stunning contrast that truly embodies Miami's spirit. Miami Design District, where art and design collide. Now we dive into the world of contemporary art at the Perez Art Museum. In the heart of downtown Miami, this art haven showcases an impressive collection of 20th and 21st century art, featuring works from across the Americas, Western Europe and Africa. The museum is renowned for its commitment to highlighting underrepresented cultures and voices, fostering a dialogue of inclusivity through art. The museum itself is a work of art, designed by the award-winning architectural firm Herzog & de Meuron. It's a stunning blend of modern design and eco-friendly practices. The structure incorporates the surrounding tropical landscape with hanging gardens and broad canopies that provide shade and capture rainwater. Inside, the museum's layout is as thoughtfully designed as its exterior. The open spaces and natural light create an inviting atmosphere that encourages visitors to linger and appreciate the art. Every visit is a new experience with rotating exhibitions and innovative educational programs. Perez Art Museum, a modern art haven. Next, we venture into the wild at Jungle Island. This verdant oasis, nestled in the heart of Miami, is a sanctuary where the exotic mingles with the familiar. Here, interactive animal experiences go beyond the usual zoo visit. You can play with lemurs, feed flamingos, or even hold a baby kangaroo. It's a hands-on wildlife encounter like no other. The tropical landscapes of Jungle Island are a sight to behold. From the lush rainforest canopy to the vibrant orchid garden, every corner of this island is brimming with nature's spectacle. It's like stepping into a living, breathing postcard. And for those with an adventurous streak, Jungle Island offers heart-pounding outdoor exploits. Whether it's zip-lining over the treetops or tackling the escape rooms, there's no shortage of thrills to be had. So, if you're yearning for a dash of wilderness in the middle of the city, there's only one place to be. Jungle Island, where the wild meets the city. Finally, we conclude our journey at the Everglades National Park. A marvel of nature's bounty, the Everglades National Park is a unique ecosystem unlike any other on the planet. It's a vast, subtropical wilderness that stretches as far as the eye can see, a watery labyrinth of marshes, rivers and mangrove forests. The Everglades' unique landscape is home to an impressive array of wildlife, from the iconic American alligator to the elusive Florida panther, from the vibrant roseate spoonbill to the stealthy American crocodile. It's a living, breathing testament to the diversity of life on Earth. But the Everglades isn't just a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. It's also a playground for outdoor lovers. Fancy a thrilling airboat tour that lets you skim across the water at high speed, wind in your hair with the chance to spot gators and other wildlife up close? Or perhaps you'd prefer a leisurely hike along one of the park's many trails, immersing yourself in the serene beauty of this wild landscape. You might even opt for a spot of fishing or bird watching, or simply sit back and watch the sunset paint the sky in shades of gold and purple. The Everglades is a place that truly embodies the spirit of wild Florida. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the planet, hear the heartbeat of nature, and experience the sheer breathtaking wonder of life in its most raw and untamed form. Everglades National Park, Miami's wild frontier. And on that note, we conclude our tour of Miami, a city that truly has something for everyone.